you doing? It's Kenji back, and I got some Lego Mario characters here. I got Mario, Peach, and Luigi. And why am I bringing these? Because today I'm going to show you a new Lego set I got today. It is a Lego Mario Kart set. This set is 72031, and it's 133 pieces. It's not a small set, but we're gonna build one day the Grand Prix. And so anyway, you can see it comes with blue Yoshi, and you can recreate like scenes from Mario Kart. You know, like, and it comes with the Yoshi bikes, and it says interactive with figures. So, and we got some figures right here. See, Mario, Luigi, and Peach. But let's move that inside, and let's see what's inside. Let's check it out. Open what's in here. And then it comes with a bunch of bags. We got with bag 1, bag 2, and bag 3. It's not enough. I can build this quick. And we also get the instructions. And so yeah, let's build. So, fellas, here is the completed Yoshi bike set. It took me a while, but nah, just kidding. It didn't take me a while. It just took me a few minutes, like 15, I don't know. So, anyway, before we can show you the main set, let's start off with blue Yoshi. So he's like the other Yoshis I had a few before I started my channel. So he has purple boots, and he's all blue. Okay? Oh, and by the way, there was another Yoshi that came in another set, but instead of the white cheeks, it was blue cheeks. But they got Lego released the white cheeks with Yoshi. Okay, first we have some cones, 2 blue ones and 2 red ones. And then we finally get to see the mystery item box from Mario Kart. Very cool, but I'm gonna show you first the big bike. It also came with a few Koopa shells, the red one and the green one. And so it's like a Yoshi bike. If you haven't played Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, well, I recommend you playing because this Yoshi bike is unlockable. I don't know how did I get it, but it's unlockable. But this is on Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. So yeah, you can put Yoshi. See? Whee! Ah! Ooh, that's gonna hurt. Nah, just kidding, he's fine. Okay, so now I'm gonna bring Mario. Lego Mario time. See, there he is, Lego Mario time. And I'm gonna show you how you do this. First, we're gonna check out this for the first time. It looks like we got a banana peel. Oh, we just got a blue shell, fellas. That's awesome. Okay, now we're gonna show you how this actually works. See? All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh God. Whee! Oh God. You okay, Mario? Oh wait, he's still going. Come on, Mario. Whee! Still going, fellas. Still going. As you can see, time is running out, fellas. 19 coins. That's pretty cool. So that was the complete. Bye, Lego Mario. Yeah, see you later too. Maybe we'll play with Peach. So that was the completed Yoshi set, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.